Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1969 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. It's finished in this really attractive Inca yellow, black interior, black top boot, 4-speed disc wheels, triple Webers. This is a nut and bolt restoration on this car with basically zero use. I think the restoration was done probably about 5 or 6 years ago, but has just has not been driven at all. So ready to get going and start breaking in this ground up restoration. Have a look at the undercarriage photos. Spectacular underneath, frame, body, suspension, everything's beautiful. Exhaust system, drivetrain, but definitely a body off nut and bolt ground up restoration on this one, and really desirable car, being the first year being a 1969 high compression, high horsepower TR6. So let's just take another small walk around here. The early cars had these just steel wheels, no beauty rims, so that's definitely a correct detail there. But really good body work and paint. Chrome's been renewed. I'd say most of the chrome's been redone. Yeah, we purchased this car in Ohio, and completely excellent rust-free sourced car, no frame problems or repairs, but just a perfect car underneath, really lovely. You can see here excellent gaps all the way around. Even the hood gap is spectacular. Brand new quality triplex windshield, new rubber, but really handsome in this sort of this Inca yellow marigold color, real striking on a TR6. So interior wise, everything has been completely done, renewed, visor set. Let's take a look at the seats here. OEM seat covers, seat sets are all brand new with new foam. Carpets are all new, door panels, arm bars, fuzzies, weather stripping, door seals, correct early 69 steering wheel there, correct early instruments. Top is brand new, as you can see in these still photos. Restored soft top frame. This is the original top boot. That's just absolutely perfect on the car. Trunk's all new. You can see in here all new carpeting, all new trunk kit, weather seals. Yeah, have a look at the undercarriage pictures of this. It's quite stunning. In, out, under. I'll show you the engine bay. So this car has been fitted with triple DCOE Webers. So this is our engine bay on our nut and bolt restored 69 TR6. As you can see in here, just show quality, beautiful car. Correct green engine hoses. This is filled with silicone. It's also fitted with an oil cooler, which is a nice touch, but a lovely set of high performance 40 DCOE Webers on this triple carb manifold with a header, coupled to a header sports exhaust system. As you can see here, everything was completely stripped, renewed, everything painted. We fitted a brand new battery recently. But the brakes, brake lines, everything's just been completely done. If you're looking for a completely turnkey, beautiful nut and bolt TR6. This is a super good one here. And have a look at the undercarriage, because it is just a true nut and bolt body off the frame restoration, expensively restored. And this really attractive Inca marigold yellow, black interior, black top boot, turnkey, beautiful restored car throughout. First year 1969 Triumph Tr6, fresh to the market. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.